Let's learn how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you want to do this but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. I will now show you how to do it in a very simple way. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. When Facebook is open, you'll be on the home page, and you need to click on the menu option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, a page with more options will open, and you need to click on Settings and Privacy. When you click on that, more options will appear, and you need to click on Settings. This will open a page with many options, but the one you need is at the top, called Account Center. When you click on that, a page with several options will open, and from those options you need to click on Personal Details, which is in the Account Settings section. When you click on that, a page with 4 options will open. From these 4 options, you need to click on the 4th one, Account Ownership and Control. When you click on that, a page with 2 options will open, and you need to click on Deactivation or Deletion. After clicking on that, a page showing your profiles will open, and you should select the profile you want to deactivate. When you click on it, a page will open where you need to select Deactivate Account. Once you have selected it, click on Continue. A page will open where you need to click Continue again. Then, it will ask you to enter your Facebook account password. After entering your password, a page will open where you select the reason for deactivating your account. Once you have selected the reason, scroll down and click Continue. Now a page will open where you need to scroll down and choose how many days you want it to be reactivated after. Select your preference and click Continue. After clicking that, a page will open where you need to click the blue button, Deactivate My Account, and that's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.